In this video, we will be using Sandy Knoll Software's Meets and Bounds program to export a legal description into Google Earth. Here is the drawing we'll be using for this video. We have a GPS coordinate of latitude 44 and a longitude of -85. These values were acquired by someone walking to the edge of the property with their cell phone. However, these coordinates are not for the point of beginning, and the software needs the coordinates for the point of beginning. So we'll have to use the tools built into the software to find the coordinates for the point of beginning. Let's start by turning on the endpoint numbers. We'll need these to help find the POB. You want to click Show Point Number and save and close. We can now see the endpoint numbers on the drawing. Now let's set the POB's latitude longitude value. Choose Set Current Layer POB Latitude Longitude Coordinates from the Layers menu. We don't yet know the point of beginning's coordinates. The coordinates that we have are from the cell phone user standing on endpoint 2. We need to use the value we have to find the coordinates for the POB. To do this, choose Find POB Latitude Longitude from Endpoint Latitude Longitude from the pop-up menu widget. And then we'll choose Endpoint 2 and type in our Endpoint 2's latitude longitude values. And then we notice the updated latitude longitude values, latitude longitude fields. Press the Save and Close button. Now choose Export and Export as KML from the File menu. Make sure that the Launch File After Export button is selected. Click Next. And then you want to add a name for the file. We're just going to use the default. And click Save. And Google Earth will now launch and then zoom into our legal description. There it is. Thank you for watching.